you. Hey guys, don't forget to pay Benji, but make sure to use his credit card or the credit card of the previous guy. My name is Stéphane Dubois. I'm the CEO and founder of Xignite, and here with me is Anand, one of our most talented engineers. Now, I would give you his last name, but I've been butchering it for the last 2 years, so we'll stick to Anand, the engineer. Now, you know what the problem is? The problem is when you're 50-year-old and a little pudgy, and even with a geeky t-shirt, it's still not cool to be CEO of a fintech startup. So what I'm going to do is that for the duration of this session, I am promoting Anand here as CEO of Xignite. I mean, look, he's handsome, he's young, he's cool, he's thin. I give you Anand, the CEO.
Thank you. So as a newly appointed CEO of Xignite, I'm going to take this very seriously. Our mission is to inspire the future of finance. Now, what we do is very simple. We have the easiest, fastest, broadest set of financial market data APIs as RESTful web services. And indeed, that's why some of the hottest fintech startups, including over 40 Finovate alumni, use financial market data from Xignite. We have data from any asset class that you can think of, including FX, stocks, bonds, trades. We even have APIs for real-time data, for historical data, for fundamental data.
Hold on. I just got a notification from StockTwits.
Presentation?
Yeah, I know you're CEO, but you know, one of the stock I've been tracking is trending right now. I might have to get into it right now. So just give me a second. Let's go to StockTwits and see what's going on. Yeah, it looks like Ford, Buy American is trending. It's one of the stock I've been tracking. I might have to do a trade today. I'm really sorry about this. Yes. Hey, by the way, guys, did you know that StockTwits was the first company to merge social data with live stock quotes, which they get from Xignite, and they're here today. So let me just go to my account, just one more second. Let's go to personal capital and see if I have room in my account to be able to make this trade. I use personal capital because they give me a great view of my portfolios against my objectives. And of course, they need great, accurate data for this. They need pricing information and classification information, which they get from us. All right, Anand, I know you're CEO, but I'm just going to do a trade. We're going to go to Robinhood. You guys have heard of Robinhood, right? They just got their Series A last week. Congratulations. Now, I am no millennial, but I can tell you the idea of zero-cost trading is hella cool. So let's go in there. There's a pin for you, right? So we're going to look at, all right, let's go with GoPro. All right, it's quoting at $90.54. Guess where this quote is actually coming from? It's coming from Xignite. I'm going to buy 50 shares. I can review my trade. And here we go. We're actually going to place the order. So guys, I just dropped, $5,000 on this. As you can see, I'm drinking the Kool-Aid, right? Now, it took us about 3 minutes to go from StockTwits to Personal Capital and to Robinhood. And all are very innovative companies. And this is the future of finance. And you, hopefully, the people in this room, are the architects of that future. And you are the future of finance. Now, by now, you figured out what we do is financial market data APIs. And StockTwits, Personal Capital, Robinhood, and many others are our customers. Now, what is the common thread between them? The common thread is speed. Decision, execution, time to market. There's a fintech gold rush going on right now. And whether you're one of the upcomers trying to topple the world order, or maybe working for a large company and trying to hold on to what you've got, what you need today is speed. Now, financial market data is the lifeblood of finance, at least in the investment world. And it is also the fuel of your applications. But historically, sourcing and integrating market data has been very painful. It's a very complex area, it's full of quirks, and it's also littered with legacy technologies. Now, Andy Ratcliffe, the famed founder of Wealthfront, puts it best. He tells the story of going to the legacy vendors and feeling like being interrogated by the Secret Service. He had to prove he was worthy of their data. Now, if you know Andy, and I do, you know he had no time for this BS, and so he came to us for data. And the rest is history. So we've helped Andy build Wealthfront, and we can help you build your business. Now, how do we deliver speed? How do we help you with speed? Well, we have the largest, easiest, fastest set of RESTful API in the market today. We have real-time data, historical data, reference data. We cover every asset class, every data type. We've got the fastest and most powerful Amazon-based platform in the market. We serve 15 billion API requests a month. Right? We even get data from more than 45 countries. We not only have the data you need today, we have the data you will need tomorrow. And we also deliver data in web apps, mobile apps, devices, cars, even planes. This is the plane I intend to buy, and it's a Gulfstream. And they get data from Xignite. Now, sorry about this. I know you're CEO, so why don't you just show them how easy our APIs are?
Actually, that's my Gulfstream now, so temporarily.
Yeah,
so you guys have all used
it.
APIs before, so there isn't too much for us to show you in there. But I do want to quickly show you our product catalog in our website. So a great place to look at it is our products page on our website. And as you can see here, there's tons of stuff in here. We have over 1,000 APIs and over 1,000 different data points. And one of the things that I quickly want to show you today is one of our more popular services, which is Global Delayed Quote. And the minute you get onto this page, what you see is there's tons of different API operations for this one service. And the reason for that is we give you lots of different ways to get at this data. There's VWAP, bars, market movers. So I want to show you quickly one of our operations here, Get Global Delayed Quote. And this is what is our API test form. And every operation has this. And the minute you get to this page, you can see that it has the URL for the service. And we, of course, support all the major return types, which is JSON, XML, and CSV. And you can view the results right in this page. In a second, you're already looking at the data. And we have all the documentation in line right here. It's as simple as that. And there's something really cool that you can do on our APIs is that you can choose just the output fields that you need to see. So you can actually customize in this API test form, say, let's see, just the last price in this case. And you can click on View Results, and voila, there you have just the last price. So in summary, since I'm the CEO, and let me finish it off with that, our APIs are so easy that they'll help you get to market first. Our pricing is so good that it'll help you kickstart your business.